Créer votre société en 2008, parier sur la création et la vente de chaussettes est quand même un défi important. Est-ce que vous avez relevé ce défi? Happy Socks has been founded in 2008. Selling socks is quite a challenge. Did you win this challenge?
I wouldn't say it's been a tremendous challenge. It's pretty much been the opposite. The sock market was a very traditional market, and we managed to enter the market with a new concept, the first lifestyle image brand within socks, and that created a tremendous trend within socks the last 5 years, which I think has been noticed globally.
Le marché de la chaussette est un marché traditionnel et on a voulu effectivement donner une orientation plus trendy à ce marché qui est effectivement assez conventionnel. Donc je pense que nous avons vraiment relevé ce défi. Did you have sometimes any doubt?
No,
Never
a doubt. But of course, it's been a journey of hard work, but it's been fun as well. This is what we want to do, and we set out to do the best, and I think we have.
Est-ce que vous avez eu quelques doutes? Non, effectivement, jamais. Ça a été un projet toujours très excitant et nous avons toujours dépassé les doutes. Collaborer avec David Lachapelle a été une expérience importante pour vous. The collaboration with David Lachapelle has been a great experience for you.
Yeah, it was amazing.
It was a big collab for us, and especially for the brand, working with such a talent and creative person really shows what we're about, how creative we try to be, and that
we can give freedom to someone so talented and he likes it.
Ça a été effectivement une collaboration géniale, très importante pour nous. On lui a donné beaucoup de liberté pour une carte blanche pour créer son projet de communication et ça a été un grand succès. Est-ce que cette collaboration a boosté les ventes et comment le public a-t-il perçu cet enjeu? Did this collab increased your sales on the market, and how did the public show that success?
It was a very different message. I think some markets in Asia was a little bit shocked of what he created, while more European countries thought it was an amazing way of marketing the brand. And I wouldn't say that it's given us more sales per se due to the campaign, rather that the brand awareness have increased and what we stand for, that the creative, everybody can do what they want and be creative.
Okay. L'important pour nous c'est d'être créatif. On n'a pas tout de suite pensé à accroître les ventes, même si effectivement c'est toujours le bienvenu, mais l'important était cette démarche artistique et créative avec David Lachapelle. Quels sont vos prochains projets? What are your next projects?
Right now we're releasing underwear. We always said we're only going to work with socks, but it feels like a new challenge for us and a natural extension of the brand coming into underwear.
Nous allons effectivement lancer une ligne de sous-vêtements pour le mois d'août prochain. C'est un nouveau challenge très excitant à travers le monde. Vous avez travaillé avec Snoop Dogg. Qu'en attendez-vous? You're going to work with Snoop Dogg. What do you expect?
We expect him to be as creative as he wants, and that is what we stand for. So he's actually came up with the idea himself and doing an amazing project where he goes away from what he normally does today into another world that is as creative as the music.
Nous allons lui laisser beaucoup de liberté pour créer avec nous dans un univers différent, dans la partie plutôt artistique aujourd'hui. L'art est une nouvelle passion pour Snoop Dogg et nous en attendons beaucoup. À part les chaussettes, y a-t-il un autre domaine que vous aimeriez explorer? Except socks, what kind of product would you like to create and produce in the future? Except socks and of course underwear now.
We're pretty happy right now, but one should never say never, I guess, as we only focused on socks, but now with the underwear. But who knows, maybe a hotel, an airplane, something we own.
We said for 5 years that socks is going to be our main focus, and we said we're never going to go beyond socks. Socks, it says in the name, Happy Socks, and then things evolve and suddenly we're there and we want to explore underwear. So whatever we feel the next 5 years, we don't know, but as it is now, it's sort of the same thing. Socks and underwear, it fits very well together.
Nous nous concentrons vraiment là sur les chaussettes et sur les sous-vêtements, même si pour l'avenir tous les projets sont possibles, on est des gens créatifs, mais pour l'instant on se focus vraiment sur les chaussettes et sur les sous-vêtements. Je vous remercie beaucoup pour cette interview et long succès à Happy Socks. Thank you for the interview and great success for Happy Socks.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.